Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is yet another reading. These are channel messages for the coming week, the week ahead, and these are this is a general reading, so these are not specific readings, not specially meant for one person. So a lot of you are going to listen to it. Sorry, my hair keeps flying. Some messages might resonate, some might not. So take what resonates with you, or take what applies in your life, or you think is closer to the situation you are in, and it solves something in your life or puts you in the right path. So that message is for you. You probably were waiting for this message. I'm going to start with the first message. I'm going to do 2 or 3 decks. I got them here, and I'm going to keep reaching out to them. So let's start with the first message before I take out my other decks. First message for the coming week. Uh, not really in the situation with all your heart. That's what I want to say. If you're in the relationship, it's especially with an 8 number, or you're an 8 number, your love has become less, or I want to say there's a fight and you're thinking about the relationship. You're not really happy about taking this relationship ahead. You're going to make a decision. You're not happy with what's happening. You've not been cared for your love hasn't been reciprocated in the situation that I'm talking about. You're putting in too much love and effort, but the other person is not been doing that at all. And I think, sorry, I'm just adjusting the screen a bit. I think your love is becoming less, or you really don't want to give your heart to that person. You're protecting your heart somewhere is what I get this week. You'll be protecting your heart. You'll be making decisions. You'll be making some hard decisions, and you don't want your heart to get hurt. So you're going to take a very wise, mature decisions, and you're going to look at the situation very carefully, and you would want to know that do you want to really go ahead with that relationship or not. So guys, I would be you could be a man listening to this, or you could be a woman listening to this, but I think your situation is pretty much closer to this, that you are guarding your heart. I want to say guarding and protection. There are two words that I get again and again. So something not really happy in the relationship, somebody wanting to hurt you, somebody hurt you, and your love is become less. So in the coming week, that is the kind of situation you're going to be facing, or this is the situation that you are facing today, and it's going to prolong the whole feeling and what's happening with you. Not feeling too good in the stomach, or I feel it's almost, when your heart hurts, your stomach also goes for a toss. So it's affecting your body, and you're not being feeling well. I get the fact that you've not been eating well because you've not been feeling well. Your heart is hurt, and that is making you keep away from food. Like when we are worried, or we are sad, we all respond differently to a situation. I feel some of us like start binging, we start eating a lot, but I feel you're keeping away from food, you're not eating at all. It's like, almost punishing your body. It feels like that. You are not it's not especially that, you're thinking about punishing your body, but the way you've been behaving, it's like almost your body is being punished for what your heart is going through. So I'm getting a lot of heart situation. I started with the heart reading. I don't know if it's wanting to walk away. See, so the third card is also like that. Also something to do with the 9 number, and I think in you've been for 9 days, 9 months, 9 weeks, have been thinking about walking away from a person. I think either you're a 9 number and you've been wanting to walk away from someone. You always keep coming back to that person, and right now probably in the coming week is a time when you think that this is the time, I'm not going to come back to the person. The person has really hurt me. I gave a lot of chances to this relationship, and the person, it's almost walking away is what I get from the scene. Also looking back, but this time I think this is a final time. You're just going to look back and make your decision. You're going to move away. It's you're going to move away and never good look back is what I get in a week's time. This coming week, the reading is pretty similar. The 3 cards that I picked. Now let's see if all the cards are similar, or there are other things also happening. Guys, this is not a love reading, but yes, coming week, I think that's the theme that's coming up in this reading. I want to shuffle more. Let me see what's the reading. Need healing. Very soon you'll need healing from this situation. You've not been taking care of yourself, that's what I feel. Not taking care of yourself, feeling very low, not being eating well, not being eating a lot of greens. I feel keeping away from food, not having a healthy diet. That's why probably I wanted to say that with this card, not having a very healthy diet. I also get either now you've been binging, like I said, you're probably punishing yourself in a way. So either you're keeping away from food, or either you're having too much food, which is not good for you. So something is hurting your health also, not just your heart. So that's a very important channel message I get again, hurting yourself and your heart. I want you to eat your greens. I want you to have more greens in your diet, in whichever form, whatever form. See, anxiety. So this has become a love reading, guys. I didn't want the coming week to be a love reading, but yes, somebody is really anxious, and probably I'm picking up energies, and this is could be one person who's feeling this, and the overriding theme is this, and it's taken over all the themes. I'll see with the other cards. I'll also use romance angel cards to see what is the message that wants to be given to some person. So maybe you're a 9 number, like I said in the other one also. I think I said either you're walking away from 9, or you're dealing with 9, or you're a 9 number, really anxious. Like 9 is probably since last September you've been anxious, or you've been sitting like this next to the window and thinking all night what to do with the situation. You want to leave the person, you want to be with the person also. It's like both ways, but you're not getting any signals from the other person that he wants you or she wants you to stay. So this has been really worrying you, and you've been up all night, and it's like almost this week you're going to make a final decision. You're going to finalize something, is what I get. What's the other message? Archangel Raphael, Archangel Michael. There was Archangel Raphael that I took out, now Archangel Michael, and that also reversed. Not really happy. So I feel I'm talking to a woman more than a man situation, but I feel not really happy, not really any more attracted to the person, not really wanting to be with the person, or really you feeling that the other person is not attracted to you anymore, and you're not in the relationship. The person is not coming towards you. What I get, the messages that I get from Archangel Michael is, the other person is so closed, or the other person is made up a decision, and that's affecting you, and the person is not going to come towards you. You only have been moving towards the person. So whenever you move towards the person, the other person takes a step back, is what I get. I also get talking to a very close person, a person who's like almost build a wall around him or her. What's the other card? It's coming. Oh, this is, yeah. So probably yes, the person needs to open up. So Archangel Michael is blessing this reading, saying the other person needs to open up, but the other person is not really ready to open up. I feel the other person is looking away. That's the message that is what I'm getting. You really want to talk to the person, but the person is really closed, doesn't want to talk to you at all. You don't know what to do about the situation. It's almost the heart has slipped from his hand. Your heart has slipped from his hand, is what I get. I'm going to take one more card. I just want to take one more card from here. Archangel Michael is come in this reading. This is the third time I'm holding this card after shuffling a lot. So yes, these messages are important for the person, whoever's listening to this reading. If you're a number 9, and if you're in a situation which involves a lot of heartbreak recently, and you want to make a decision, this is for you guys. I'll see if there's any other message or any other sign that I can pick up that Archangel Michael wants to give to you. I'm going to use the romance angel cards, guys. This is not a romance reading, but I want to be sure. I want to take 2 cards. I want to take 2 cards and give you a message. I'm also waiting for any other signs that Archangel Michael wants to say, or anything else he wants to say. Yes, says retreat, move away from the person. Maybe that's your sign. It says it's time to disconnect from the world. That's a big thing. It's time to cut all your cords, move away, and then take a decision, guys. If you've not been able to take a decision, see, it says retreat. You got to move away from the person. You were almost like going to get married to the person, or almost were engaged, or almost like a commitment kind of a thing, very serious relationship, and something happened in between. You have to move away. Let me see, what is the second card? What is the second card? Any other message? Any other message for this coming week? Yes, there was a wedding that was supposed to happen, and it's like almost the man is very unhappy. So even if you go ahead with the wedding, I don't think it's kind of almost the man saying yes because you almost forced him to say yes, and there was no way out. I feel if this wedding, this is how I'm reading the card right now while I'm holding it. The woman is happy, or probably this is okay. This is a message, channel message. Even if you were thinking of a wedding and you thought after the wedding things would improve, probably you'll get time with him. That's not the situation. She's happy, he's really not happy. It's like almost forcibly holding someone, and this guy's not really happy giving his hand to her. So guys, remember, this message is for you. So I'm going to move on to other messages. This really became a romantic theme, but it wasn't supposed to be a romantic theme. I want to give other messages. Let me see, job, career, anything number. I get number 7. For this week, number 7 is good for you guys. I want you to work with yellow, I want you to work with pink, and I want you to work with white. 3 colors. When a lot of viewers or people ask me when I say work with this color, it means use this color in your life. Either wear it, like probably if I say silver and I'm wearing a silver nail polish, or you can use that colored pen to write to write whatever you write normally every day, taking notes or something, or using that color, or probably you can have a cloth of that color, and keep it closer to you under your bed or in your wallet for the 7 coming days. So if you've been doing a lot of work, this is especially for people who are in a job. I also feel though in a business that if you've been putting a lot of hard work, you will see uh, profit coming to you very soon. And it's like somebody also who's just been doing hard work, has not even been worrying about the promotion or the incentives. It's just that the person is so happy or so much lost in doing the job that the person doesn't look up at all. And I think you've set a deadline that by this month I have to do really well. That's the time I'm going to get profits. It's like I get a person who's not really been looking up or what the consequences or what money or income he'll get back from doing that hard work. Is just the hard work right now. So I think if that is you, and especially if you're a number 8 or you've been doing hard work for 8 months now, you're going to see results very soon. And I think beginning this next week, you're going to see results. That's what I get. Sorry guys, I have to keep doing this. A lot of viewers do get distracted, but I'm sitting next to the AC. I can't help it. It's very hot here. So yes, the hair keeps flying. Seven things that you want, or the materialistic things that you want from the world, or the 7 things that you really wished for, together, putting things together, wealth. I get all of them will be, you'll get all of them after this week, okay? So I feel this week is very important because you've got to do, you've got to get everything together. That's the message I get. You've got to put everything together for things to work out for you. So this week is important for your strategy, for whatever you're building in your business, for your job, getting projects together, getting people together to do the job, aligning things, aligning people around, and giving responsibilities, delegating whatever you have to do. So this week you'll be busy doing it. Oh God, okay, I didn't want to get this. A broken situation, a broken heart, and that's the situation. And it says three people involved in it. So maybe you got a broken heart because of this. Like it started with a romance reading, and all the cards were probably going towards one big message. And if this has come again, so probably it's talking to 1 people, 2 people, how many are going through that situation. So it's almost like when you get 3 swords, it's also indicative that there is a third person involved, and probably your heart was broken because of the third person. The person you're involved with is seeing someone, that's why this situation did arise, is what I get. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. I didn't want the coming week to be a romance reading. I can't help it. I have to give the messages. Okay, if you're doing a job in 9 months, you're going to get a lot of money. So this is not about 7 days, what you put. Okay, I'm going to say the hard work you put in these 7 days. There's something, there's a deciding factor, because those are the 2 words that I keep getting. This is a deciding factor. So these 7 days, coming 7 days are so important for you, because that's going to set the ball rolling and you're going to be happy. I also feel that you're a person who loves nature, who loves birds, has a bird feeder, or has crows, a lot of crows around, visiting around your house. You also wanting to build a house around somewhere in the hills, nature, a lot of greenery. Probably you investing in a place which is around there's a lot of greens around that place, and that's where you want to get your house. I also feel that you will be getting money in 9 months. So these 7 days are important. Whatever you do in 7 months will reap profits for you for a longer time. Like I said, wanting to have a house. I get a very castle kind of a place, but you want to build a house, and I think you'll take a decision soon. Or in these 7 days, you'll be thinking about where to take the house, is what I get. Also, you want to take a house, you want to buy a house, because I feel you'll be more secure. It will stabilize you in some way. Having your own house gives you that feeling of security, and that's how you think. I would want you to make a wise decision, okay? It says, especially if you're a number 9, okay, I want you to make a wise decision in these 7 days. I feel that you will be feeling lonely in these 7 days, and you might do something, or you might say something which is not right. If you are going to feel lonely, I want you to reach out to your friends, guys. Remember that, because that's what I said, and that's the next card. I don't want you to act impulsively or be like a fool. It's wanting you to be wise, because this is what I think you're going to do. So I want you to be wise, not take any sudden decisions, okay, which are going to affect your life. So don't be this right now. It's good to take risks, but I think this is the time not to take risks in these 7 days. So 7 days is kind of a period to analyze. Feeling frustrated for the last 8 months. So if you've been feeling frustrated for the last 8 months, you felt bound to the situation. You're going to feel much better after 7 days, is what I get. I also get in these 7 days, you're going to get an idea that that will be a money making machine. That will be a very good idea. You're going to feel like a queen. That's what I feel. You're going to command something. You're going to start a business. That's what I get. If you're RMOLFC, I get you get to start an online business, or you're going to start some new business, and you're looking ahead what you're going to do. And these 7 days, it's almost getting your army ready. Maybe that's how I was saying, putting things together. You're going to get your army ready to command. Probably it's your job or a business, but you're getting all things together, and you're sitting in a very comfortable place. And what you need to do in this coming situation or whatever's coming towards you. Look, I don't want to look. I'm going to take the first card. If your parents are not feeling well, they're away. Firstly, they are missing you, especially if you're a 5 number. If you're born on the 5th of any of the month, if you've not seen your parents for 5 months, really wanting to be with you. Or somebody who's old in your family really wants to be with you, really wants to be taken care of. And I don't know why. These are parents waiting for somebody to come back. A son or a daughter. I don't know why I get this. Like I get this crying thing. That somebody is waiting for you. Somebody is waiting for a daughter or a son to come back who's turned away from their life. I don't know why I want to say this, but that's the heavy channel message that I'm getting. They're really wanting you to come back. If you're listening to this and you resonate with this reading, I want you to call your parents. Okay, they really miss you. It's number 5, almost walking away from a situation. I also feel a water sign. You think nothing can be done in this situation. I want to walk away. It could be a business, it could be a job, it could be a relationship. Not wanting to improve the situation. It's also given up. This is somebody who's given up. This is somebody who's tried and almost broken and cannot move forward. So guys, this week is going to be a mixed bag. A lot of heavy feelings, a lot of heavy things, a lot of mixed emotions. I also feel a delay in somebody's. If you're an 11 number, I normally don't say this with an 11 number, but this is the message that I get with an 11 number. Delay in money coming in from somewhere. If you were waiting for a project or someone to give you your money back, or getting your money back, I feel there's going to be a delay. So I'm going to do some channel words. Let me see what they form in my hand. What is the message for you? So I've got alphabets L-A and I've got a blank. I got late. Somebody's gotten late. Somebody's got to meet their parents. I don't know why I get late. Somebody is emotionally telling their kids, it's going to be too late. I want you to come and visit me. I'm getting that kind of a channel message. Okay. I also get the message at it. So you at it also. You at it. At a situation. You're not leaving the situation. I also get the alphabet F, though I didn't take it out, but I'm getting F again and again. It's a channel message. Probably if your name begins with F, it's for you. Out. I get the message out of something. You're out of a situation. You're out. Get out of my life, or I'm out. Or somebody. One of you did use that word. I'm out from this. I can't handle this anymore. I don't know why there has to be one more word that I need to give you. I cannot close this reading. It's P, P, and H. So P, P, and H. What does that mean? There's D also. Somebody's wanting to do a PhD. That's strange. I get strange messages anyway. Yeah, either of one of you wanting to do some kind of a PhD in something and wanting to know. Let me see one more. I want one more dice. One more number. Number 4 is going to be good for you. That's what I get. So number 4 is good for you this week. I'm going to give you a color. Sorry, I always make a noise in this. I gave you 3 colors and I want to add this. This is also like white only. I think white will give you peace in this coming week. That's what I feel. I also feel white flowers. I don't know. Suddenly I thought of white roses. If one of you does write white roses, I just thought of white roses, and I could almost smell white roses. Or you were thinking of giving white roses to someone, is what I get. So these were your messages. I'm going to pick this pile up again, and I have to give one more message. I don't know why I cannot close this reading. I've been thinking I'll just give, some 6-7 messages, but it's like I cannot get to close this reading today. Is it the top card? Is it the top card? Please make your strategy in these 3 days. whatever you're going to do. So 7 is an important this coming week, 7 days is important. Like I said, this is analyzing and this is strategy. Maybe that's what I wanted to say. So please be uh, attentive to whatever you were doing. I want you to put all your analyzing, all your strategy, all your planning, whatever things you want to devise, your methods, your methodology, anything. 7 days is important for that, for you to understand what you're going to do in life. And also because love cards did come a lot, so I want you to take care of yourself. If you have a broken heart or whatever decision you want to make, it's on you. Guys, I always say, always work with the free will. Let the other person work with the free will. Whatever has to come in your life will come effortlessly. And even after doing so much, if the person doesn't come in your life or things don't come in your life, don't block them. At least let them go. Don't control it so much, because sometimes we control destiny. I'm a big believer of destiny, and you can only get guided to a certain path. So the choices we make also define our life. This is just to put you on the right path and to tell you, if you are going through a certain situation, what the outcome can be, or what is the higher probability of the outcome. Remember that. So thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do leave a comment. Always leave the comment, always read a comment. And do leave your suggestions if you want me to do a certain kind of prediction or whatever you want. So just leave a message there and I read all of them. So thank you so much. I'll be back with another reading. Good night. Bye.